In this video guide, we will instruct you about flamtinense3.live pop-up windows. They are presented as some surveys that claim that you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance of winning some top gadget, for instance, iPhone of the latest model or Samsung Galaxy or some cash prize. But the pop-up also indicates that you need to uh, provide some of your personal details to get that prize. So you may notice that the pop-up comes from this website, flamtinense3.live. There are many other similar websites, and all of them are dangerous because their mission is to collect your personal data. When you provide your name, email address, telephone number, and some other details, this is the moment when your browser and your personal information may become exposed to online criminals who may easily manipulate this data without your permission. So do not provide any of your data. You need to close this pop-up window as soon as possible, and I also recommend that you perform additional scanning of your Mac with the reliable antivirus, for instance with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on this website combocleaner.com. Download the program. Once it is downloaded and started, you will notice that initially it is provided in the trial mode. Nevertheless, the trial version has got some free features too. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, or Duplicates Finder. So you may click on Start Combo Scan button and the program will begin the research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed analysis of your system, giving you a chance to apply several functions and several improvements, even in the trial mode. For instance, the Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. These are free features to use, so you may review the results and fix these issues manually, even in the trial mode. As for the antivirus part, it's the component of the premium license only. However, the program has performed free scanning of your Mac, so you may click on Review Results and find the location of each threat one at a time and get rid of it manually. Or you may enjoy the premium license of the program, which will help you to remove all threats automatically from your Mac.